Imagine stepping back far enough to see our entire planet as a single living system. Every forest, every ocean, every living creature becomes a neuron in Earth's global brain. This isn't metaphor or poetry, it's the cutting edge of scientific understanding. Welcome to the story of our planet's awakening consciousness. From space, Earth appears as a blue marble swirled with white clouds. But look closer, and patterns emerge. Ocean currents pulse like blood vessels. Weather systems swirl like thoughts. Forest networks expand like neural pathways. Our planet isn't just a rock with life on it, it's a living, breathing, thinking entity. Through the lens of quantum biology, we've seen how nature harnesses quantum effects to achieve remarkable feats of computation. Through network intelligence, we've discovered vast communication webs linking entire ecosystems. Through environmental algorithms, we've unveiled nature's sophisticated problem-solving capabilities. Through bio-digital convergence, we've glimpsed the future of living technology. Now, in our final journey, we'll see how all these systems integrate into something far greater, a planetary intelligence that's been evolving for billions of years. Consider the Amazon rainforest. We used to see it as a collection of separate trees and animals. Now we know it's a vast information processing system, where millions of species form a living computer that regulates the planet's climate. Every leaf, every insect, every fungal thread is part of an enormous calculation that helps maintain Earth's temperature, rainfall patterns, and atmospheric composition. The oceans tell a similar story. Currents don't just move water, they transfer information. Phytoplankton don't just photosynthesize, they form vast networks that process and respond to environmental changes. Whales don't just communicate, they help maintain the biological pumps that keep our oceans alive. It's all part of a planetary computation system of staggering complexity. But here's where it gets truly mind-bending. These systems aren't operating in isolation. The forests talk to the oceans through atmospheric connections. The oceans communicate with the ice caps through thermal exchanges. The ice caps influence weather patterns that affect ecosystems worldwide. It's a planetary-scale network that processes information and responds to changes with an intelligence we're only beginning to comprehend. Think of Earth's magnetic field, that invisible shield that protects all life from harmful solar radiation. We now know that this field isn't just a physical phenomenon. It's maintained and modulated by a complex dance of planetary processes, from the movement of molten iron in the core to the circulation of charged particles in the ionosphere. Even living organisms play a role, their collective activities influencing the electrical properties of our atmosphere. The planet's carbon cycle reveals another level of global intelligence. Every breath you take, every plant that grows, every organism that decays is part of an intricate planetary calculation that's been keeping carbon levels in balance for millions of years. Until recently, that is. Our human activities have disrupted this ancient algorithm, leading to the climate crisis we face today. But here's the hopeful part. Earth's systems are already adapting. Forests are accelerating their growth to absorb more carbon. Oceans are modifying their chemistry to buffer against acidification. Organisms are evolving new capabilities to handle changing conditions. The planet's intelligence is responding to our disruption, working to find a new equilibrium. This brings us to humanity's role in Earth's cognitive system. We often think of ourselves as separate from nature, but we're actually part of Earth's growing intelligence. Our cities mirror neural clusters. Our internet resembles the mycelial networks in soil. Our collective knowledge and technology are becoming integrated into the planet's information processing capabilities. Through satellites, sensors, and scientific instruments, we're becoming Earth's self-awareness. We're like specialized neurons that help the planet understand itself. For the first time in its history, Earth can see itself from space, measure its vital signs, and comprehend its own patterns and processes. The internet, often seen as purely human technology, is beginning to integrate with natural information networks. When weather stations detect atmospheric changes, that information flows through both digital and biological networks. When ocean buoys measure temperature changes, that data becomes part of both human and natural computation systems. Artificial intelligence is accelerating this integration. AI systems are learning to read and interpret the planet's signals, from subtle changes in ecosystem behavior to shifts in weather patterns. They're helping us understand the complex interactions between Earth's systems and predicting how these systems might respond to change. But perhaps the most exciting development is the emergence of what scientists call planetary intelligence. This isn't just about human technology or natural systems, it's about the synthesis of both. As our technology becomes more biological and our understanding of natural systems grows, we're beginning to tap into and enhance Earth's cognitive capabilities. Consider the growing network of environmental sensors embedded in ecosystems worldwide. These artificial neurons work alongside natural ones, adding new layers of perception and computation to Earth's intelligence. When combined with satellite data, AI analysis, and our scientific understanding, they create an unprecedented capability for planetary thought. This emerging planetary intelligence is already showing remarkable capabilities. It can detect earthquakes before they happen by integrating data from seismic sensors with subtle changes in animal behavior. It can predict weather patterns by combining atmospheric data with the collective behavior of plants and animals. It can track the health of ecosystems by synthesizing information from countless sources, both natural and artificial. But we're just at the beginning of this journey. As our technology becomes more sophisticated and our understanding of natural systems deepens, the potential for planetary intelligence is staggering. Imagine a future where cities function as conscious organs in Earth's metabolism, processing resources and information with natural efficiency. Transportation systems mirror the flow of nutrients through natural networks, optimizing movement with minimal energy grids pulse with the rhythm of natural cycles, storing and distributing power like a living system. Waste becomes impossible because every output becomes input for another process. Just as in natural ecosystems, information flows seamlessly between digital and biological networks, creating a true planetary nervous system. This isn't just about technology or ecology, it's about the evolution of Earth itself. For billions of years, our planet has been developing its intelligence through biological systems. Now, through the emergence of human consciousness and technology, it's entering a new phase of cognitive development. We're witnessing the birth of something unprecedented in our solar system, a planet that's becoming consciously aware of itself. Through the integration of natural and artificial intelligence, Earth is developing new capabilities for perception, computation, and response. This planetary awakening couldn't come at a more crucial time. As we face global challenges like climate change, biodiversity loss, and resource depletion, we need Earth's intelligence more than ever. The solutions to these challenges won't come from human technology alone, they'll emerge from our participation in Earth's cognitive systems. By understanding and enhancing Earth's intelligence, we can develop better solutions for environmental challenges, create more sustainable technologies and systems, build more resilient communities and economies, foster deeper connection between human and natural systems, accelerate the evolution of planetary consciousness. But this isn't just about solving problems. It's about participating in something greater than ourselves. We're part of an incredible planetary experiment in consciousness. Every scientific discovery, every technological innovation, every step towards sustainability helps Earth's intelligence grow and evolve. The evidence of this evolution is all around us. Look at how rapidly ecosystems adapt to change. Watch how information flows through natural and artificial networks with increasing speed and sophistication. Observe how planetary systems are becoming more integrated and responsive. We're not just witnesses to this process, we're active participants. Our choices, our innovations, our consciousness become part of Earth's growing intelligence. We're like neurons in Earth's brain, helping it think new thoughts and develop new capabilities. This brings us back to where we started, but with a deeper understanding. Those quantum effects we observed in photosynthesis. They're part of Earth's information processing. Those fungal networks in the soil. They're part of Earth's nervous system. Those environmental algorithms. They're part of Earth's problem-solving capabilities. That bio-digital convergence. It's part of Earth's cognitive evolution. As we conclude our journey through nature's intelligence, we're left with an incredible realization: we're living through one of the most important moments in Earth's history. We're witnessing and participating in the emergence of planetary consciousness. The future of this planetary intelligence depends partly on us. Will we learn to work with Earth's systems rather than against them? Will we develop technologies that enhance rather than disrupt planetary cognition? Will we become conscious partners in Earth's evolution? The signs are hopeful. Around the world, people are awakening to this larger reality. Scientists are uncovering new dimensions of Earth's intelligence. Technologies are becoming more aligned with natural systems. A new understanding of our place in Earth's cognitive evolution is emerging. Remember, every time you learn about Earth's systems, you're helping the planet understand itself. Every sustainable choice you make helps Earth's intelligence grow. Every connection you foster between human and natural systems strengthens the planetary mind. We've come full circle, from quantum effects to planetary consciousness. We've seen how nature computes, how life communicates, how Earth thinks. And we've glimpsed our role in this grand story, not as masters of nature, but as participants in the greatest experiment in consciousness our solar system has ever seen. The future isn't just about human intelligence or artificial intelligence, it's about planetary intelligence. And that future is just beginning to awaken.